How to open a Fifth Third bank account online. Looking to open a Fifth Third bank account online? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get started and manage your finances easily, so let's dive in. Open your browser and go to the official Fifth Third bank website. Navigate to the checking and savings section and choose the account type that suits your needs. After selecting your account type, click the Open an Account button and you'll be directed to the online application form. Fill out the required details including your name, social security number, date of birth, address and contact information. Have your government-issued ID ready for verification and choose any additional features such as overdraft or linked accounts, and specify your initial deposit amount if they require you. Carefully review your application to ensure all the details are correct. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit Application to complete the process. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email with further instructions, so after approval, your account will be ready to use and you can start banking online. And that's it. Opening a Fifth Third bank account online is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching.